Welcome to another edition of Ask Snappy. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of Appy Pie. Today's question comes from Emily from Perth, Australia, and she asked if Appy Pie also allows you to create a website. Yes, Emily, with Appy Pie's website builder, you can create your own website. And these websites are not your usual website. These are progressive websites. What I mean by progressive website is primarily these websites support offline caching. So if you do not have internet access on your phone, these websites continue to work. And not only that, these websites are very, very fast to load because of the proprietary technology that we have actually built into that. And it also takes a lot less of the bandwidth when a person is actually utilizing the website. Now to create your website, what you need to do is go to appypie.com, select the website option. It's one of the no-code features that we have. Click on Get Started. Once you have done that, you need to put your business name over there, choose the category, choose the color theme. Then you go inside, choose the different features that we have. We have about 80 odd features in our website builder. It ranges from a store feature to a food ordering feature, to a contact us page, to a location page, to about us, to a form builder, to an inquiry. So whatever features that you think are best suited for your website, please add those features. And then once you are 100% ready with your website, you then go ahead and connect your domain with your website. And once you have done that, your website would be up and running in no time. And now comes the USP of the website that you have created using Appy Pie. These websites, you can convert it into an app using Appy Pie's App Maker. So if you also want an app along with the website, you can also do that.
To begin creating your app, it's very simple. Just go to the website, appypie.com, and follow the prompt to get started. The first step is to enter your business name or your personal name if you don't have a business name. Step 2, you're going to enter the purpose, and this is very important. We need to know why that you are trying to create the app, what you're trying to accomplish. So give us the purpose, and then our back-end AI system will automatically look for the correct app to help you develop the app that you need very quickly. Then all you have to do is hit save. So once your app is saved, you'll go to the login or sign up page. So you're going to either log in if you're a current customer or sign up for a new account. Once you've done that, you'll be redirected to the pricing page. And on the pricing page, you can select the correct plan that you need to meet your needs. And depending on where you need to publish your app and the different features that you need, you'll just select the plan that you need. So based on your plan, you'll see a link that you can use to test on your device to check out your new app that you just created on the appypie.com platform. If you're not quite ready to sign up for a plan, you can try our 14-day trial and get all the features in that particular plan that you signed up for. So our goal is to make you happy with Snappy, and if you're not satisfied with the 14-day free trial, just cancel it at any time and your card won't be changed, because we're aiming to give you world-class service.
If you like this edition, then do share it on social channels like Facebook and Twitter, and do remember to subscribe to our channel.